Imagine the challenge of seamlessly blending, heating, and processing massive batches in an industrial kitchen. Now, envision a solution designed for ultimate reliability and technological precision. Enter the 1,500-gallon Lee double-motion jacketed mix kettle with scrape agitation, model 1500 U9MS, crafted for the demands of modern food manufacturing. Engineered with a double-motion agitation system, this kettle ensures thorough, uniform mixing, even for the most sensitive or high-viscosity products. The robust scrape agitator keeps product moving continuously along the heated jacket, preventing build-up, scorching, or uneven heating. Every ingredient is incorporated with remarkable consistency, batch after batch. The jacketed vessel offers precise temperature control for heating and cooling, matched with high thermal efficiency. Whether you're emulsifying sauces, melting chocolate, or cooking soups at scale, you gain unrivaled command over your process. Built to endure 24/7 operations, the 1500 U9MS features food-grade stainless steel construction and advanced safety interlocks. Every weld, every surface, every motion reflects decades of Lee innovation and industrial craftsmanship. For manufacturing professionals who measure success by reliability, consistency, and efficiency, this is more than a kettle. It's a backbone for industrial productivity. Discover how the Lee 1500 U9MS can elevate your operation. Contact our team today for specifications, demonstrations, and personalized consultation.